All right, guys. Hello, welcome. Bienvenidos to another travel in Costa Rica video. Today we're in the Multiplaza in Escazú. It's a huge tree here. Super cool. We're going to be doing some shots around the mall, showing you guys what you can expect if you come to this mall. But first, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit subscribe here on YouTube, hit like on the video, and leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests for things that you want to see. Now, where is Escazú? Well, it's pretty close geographically to the international airport, but could be an hour drive or more from there if you're coming here, depending on traffic, of course. But once you get here, this is one of the nicer malls that I've been in. Maybe the mall in Dubai is a little nicer, but not too many malls in North America that are as nice as the Multiplaza here in Escazú. You can see, oh yeah, it's cool. It's nice. So this is kind of the main Christmas little thing here going on, the little tree situation, and there's a horsey thing over there. And the horsey thing you can go on. So let's continue around the mall and see what else there is. There's a big part of the mall, opens up quite a bit. There's a gym here, Smart Fit. Smart Fit in all the malls, it seems. Look how far it goes. Maybe we'll go down there and check out some stores. For now, I'm going upstairs, though, it seems. What's this place? Puma? A Puma store? Ah, Apple store. All right, so here's the top floor of the mall. What do we got? Right in the middle, Leonessa? I don't know what that is. Guys, I don't really shop or anything. I don't know stuff. Roca Bruja. There you go. Like a store with stuff in it. Naturalizer. There's a store that I think that's present in North America. Mango. Cool. There's an H&M here. That's cool. What's this place? Desigual? Desigual. All right. I can dig it. Oh, here's a DJI store too. Oh, it's jewelry. Look at how cute that is. Just in time for Christmas, guys. So to go to this mall, you have to pay for parking. That's perhaps, I wonder why there's no teenagers walking around with boom boxes or whatever. I don't know. Does that still happen? It's cool, man. Here is, what is this store? Redmi? Oh, Xiaomi, the Chinese thing. They got scooters here. I've seen those things ripping around in Coco, those scooters. There's a security guard on a Segway. Paul Blart. All right, we're down at this end now. I don't know which end this is. There's Lacoste. Look at these huge balls. So this is 3 stories. Oh, there's an Under Armour store right there. Okay. That's cool. What else do we got here? Oh, there's Puma. That's where we just were. Okay. Incredible. Man, some of these stores just got like really nice clothes. I wish I still wore nice clothes, but since I spend a lot of time in Costa Rica, I'm kind of just in hobo mode, more or less. So here's something that's interesting. They got winter jackets here. Guys, some parts of Costa Rica are actually really cold and they sell winter jackets. Some people wear winter jackets. I don't wear winter jackets. Cool, cool, cool. I like it all. I like everything that I see. Oh, Boss. Hugo Boss? Is that what Hugo Boss? Man, look at that. It's sharp. It's looking sharp. But I mean, I'm impressed by this mall, guys. Every time I'm here, it's just so nice. What's down here? Maybe we can just skip a lot of the walking. Do it right from up here. I don't know what that is. Lebel. Lebel. I don't know what that is. I do see like American brands though, or like stuff I'd see at a mall in Canada. What's this place? Okay. They got fragrances. They got fragrances in there. That's cool. So this place, Simon, right here, it's kind of like Simon from what I remember in Ottawa. I would always go to Simon to buy really nice underwear. Maybe TMI, whatever. That's kind of like a similar store. It's like a big department store with cool brands. Now the ball color has changed, guys. The ball color has changed. Is that actual ice? What in the... What is going... That can't be real. Is that real? Is that real ice? I'm going to go down there and check that out. I think that's real ice. Guys, they have ice here in Costa Rica now. That's crazy. They have an ice rink. That's super cool. Oh, look at Tiffany and Co. For my future ex-wife, I will sacrifice. Okay, so yeah, we definitely got to go down there. There's a kids thing down there. That's so cool. I'm going to get a coffee here first, though. All right, so down here we are at the ice skating. We got some other stuff here. What's this? I don't know. Ice cream. Here's Siman. Look at this big department store. All kinds of stuff. Cool, cool, cool. So the ice skating I just asked is $8 for 20 minutes. You can see, look at this. Look at this, it's melting. They need a Zamboni out here. Where's the Zamboni? This size of this tree, man. They do it up at this mall here. All this stuff. That's where we just were up there. I'll just get my coffee right up there. There's a coffee shop. But there's more coffee shops down here. Look at this. There's Spoon right here. There's Cafe Bakery right here. Brit. Oh, that's a brick. They got good coffee. Oh, look. There's a McDonald's over there. Right on the corner. As that kid absolutely eats ice. There's a McDonald's over there. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, I like it. I like it all. It's dope. It's like a full McDonald's or what? I don't eat at McDonald's, guys. Actually, I get their coffee. Actually, they got really good coffee. Actually, I walk back what I just said. Sometimes I'll eat a burger if I'm really hungry. That's actually the fact of the matter. There you go. So here, guys, is the parking, the paid parking. They got security guards everywhere. And actually off in the distance there, I mean, that's the time for another video. There's an Office Depot, I think. Yeah, Office Depot. And there's a Price Mart nearby as well. And there's a big food court down there. Giant food court. So we're going to continue exploring here. Oh, look, there's a Crocs store. And there's the North Face. Let's continue on and try to find the food court. Continuing on through the mall. There's a DJI store right here. That's cool. And there's so many new DJI products. Check out that. That's a big drone right there. What is that? The Air 3S. Nice. If we can grow this channel, guys, I'll get some new drones and stuff. Some new cameras. All for capturing the travel. What's going on here? A Nike store, guys. That's all right. Look at this motorcycle store. That's cool. Oh man, I'll have to come back here. We got some cool stuff. Oh, look at all the helmets. Got a whole rack full of helmets in there. There's an actual motorcycle in there. I got to get something like that, man. That's a cool motorcycle. What is that? I'm going to try to figure out what that is. They got cool looking helmets here, man. And gear. I've always said I need gear. When I drove my moto up the hill of death and it died at the top, I had to roll it 40 kilometers down the backside of a freezing hill. That sucked. So I need to go get some cold weather gear. And what's going on over here? Oh, there's some banks over here. Gracias. Okay, this is like the bank zone. All right, I'm hungry. Let's go find the food court. I'm starting to get a little hangry. Here's Libreria Internacional. It's a bookstore. Those are all over the country. Toyota's down here selling stuff. How much is a Fortuner? $59,000 for a Toyota Fortuner. Is that a good deal? I don't know. Grupo Purdy. It's definitely a pretty truck. Definitely a pretty truck. What's going on down this way? Let's do a little walk, guys. Let's go for a little walk. Why not? I don't know what this store is. Zaraman. Zaraman. Yeah, that's right. Cool. More nice clothes. I like nice clothes. Oh, I just see a GNC up there. I'm going to look back. GNC, that's my jam. That's where I go. If it wasn't for doing these videos, I'd probably just be at GNC right now. There's Nissan. Just reading that Nissan is getting bought out by who? Honda? Is that what is in the news? Oh, what's going on? There's Extremos. Extremos. Cool. And there was a GNC up there. So there's supplements if you need your supplements, guys. Here's Express. What an aggressive statue that is. Man. Guess. There's Guess. All the cool stores are right beside me. Oh, Boutique El Gimnasio. There you go. There's a gym store. Cool. Maybe I'll come back and buy some creatine, some Go Crazy, etc. Everlast. All right. All right. There's the pharmacy. I'm going to go in there and get some Oxyfortes. All this walking, man. Guys, I'm doing a lot of walking lately for the channel. What's going on down at this end? There's a Nautica store. That's still a thing, eh? Nautica. Cool. What's going on here? Oh, Armeria. Armeria. These guys sell guns. I've been in there before. I can't believe they sell guns here. Tisk, tisk. I'll be back later to check all that out. Guys, they have concealed carry laws in Costa Rica. You may or may not know that. You can get if you're a permanent resident or citizen, this is what my understanding is, you can do a test, a series of tests, and you can actually conceal carry pistols here. There seems to be some confusion about how Costa Ricans approach those situations and laws. And I'm in favor of it. So guys, we got to continue. I'm still looking for the food court. Where is it? I think it's up there. Let's go check it out. We are getting so close. I can smell it. I can smell food. I'm salivating right now. I went back into the gun store. I did. Check them out. There's another Mercado right there. You can see there's some more stores up here. So now we're up on like the first floor, the main level. Up here, Christmas is sponsored by Coca-Cola, as you can see. And guys, we're going to walk down this way and get to that food court so I can refuel, do some more videos. Oh, I know where we are now. There's a cinema up here. Yes, that's right. That is correct. Guys, this is the final step. I have located the food court. There's a tobacco stand right here. They have cigars. Chili's right here. Kosi, I don't know what that is. They got potatoes, potato-based dishes apparently. There's a cinema. They got popcorn. It smells like popcorn right here. Oh, there's Pops. I don't think there's any walking tour I've done in any city where there's not a Pops featured. It's like a staple. Vertigo. These guys have like stuff for kids, like, and technology and stuff like that. So that's kind of where we, I think, started the video over there. Guys, you head up these this escalator here. And then you're at the food court. There you go. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests for videos that you'd like to see here in Costa Rica as I finish this video panning out what you can expect at the food court.